This video is going to be very important because we are going to start with the concepts in ROS, that is computational graph, which includes the nodes, topics and messages. There are other topics as well, but we are keeping this limited up to nodes, topics and messages. What are these? Okay, I had the choice to take these concepts previously, but I wanted to take the practical sessions before moving on to the theoretical concepts, because it builds a kind of some kind of confidence within us, because if we try out the things practically, it motivates us to get ahead into the technical part. Okay, now getting back to the computational graph part. So in the computational graph part, we will study about like the nodes, topics and messages. What are nodes in ROS? So nodes are nothing but a piece of code or executable in ROS, which has the code structure like the normal coding in Python or in C++. In this series, we are going to use Python. So let's take an example of Python node. Like what are nodes? For example, we code in Arduino, like how to control motors using the C++ language in the Arduino IDE. So that part is similar in ROS, but we write nodes not specifically to the Arduino one. But the major reason I gave this example is that many students get confused, like nodes are different, but nodes are just an executable to control the robot. That's it. So that was about node. Now moving to the topic. So what is topic? So topic is nothing but a communication channel through which the data transfers. That's it. It could be like, for example, a wire. The current flows through the wire. The wire is the channel through which the current flows. Current could be the data, but that's just an example. So you can see the communication channel as a kind of pipeline through which water flows. So that could be any kind of channel. Okay, and the data here could be in the form of integer, float, strings and other type of data which could be received by a robot. Okay, that's simple, right? So topic is nothing but a communication channel. I know these concepts are really boring, but just try to relate it to the real life examples. It will be better to understand, and you can get into these concepts like much more deeper by yourself by reading the documentation, or else we will discuss these in the upcoming videos series, in the next series or in the other videos as well. Now coming back to the messages. Simple. See, messages are nothing but the data. The data, for example, we studied about the communication channel in topic through which the data flows. So that data is nothing but the messages. So messages are nothing but the data. That's it. Nothing more different than that. But you can create your own custom messages in ROS. Okay, so that is also important. And the format will remain same. It could be in the form of the programming language itself. Nothing more different than that. If you know the basics of programming, it will be easy to understand these concepts. So that was about the computational graph, nodes, topics and messages. Now we will meet in the next video. Till then, grow, learn and explore together.